All right, here's my basement. So from here to over there, I don't know, 30 feet, maybe a little bit less. So this mess right here, this is the garage floor. So we're underneath the garage. And then I'd like to put the charger in that corner up, maybe about 4 feet, 5 feet up, say, for example, roughly around there. Okay. So, yeah, all this is the garage. Then this is the second box. All right. And then this is the bathroom. Behind here is our master bathroom. And then if you go up here, which we can't see shit. All right, here we go. Shit. Still can't see shit. I think yeah. So the electrical box should be kind of like towards there. On the other side of that wall. Maybe about 10 foot that way. And then boom, 6 feet to 8 feet that way. And then there's a wall. And then that's where the main box is at. You see the ducting? I'm thinking it's probably on the other side of that, Sorry, it's a fucking mess over here, Brian. So if you look at the main box, the secondary box, that pipe, this one, the darker color, you see that one? It goes there, there, it goes there. Not sure if you can see that right there. So I don't know what we can do. Looks like pain in the ass. Sorry, man. I don't know, man. Any advice? Greatly appreciate it. Thanks, Bri.